be a new player in town maybe. I did not research too much into the company itself. Hey guys, welcome to Teo's Take for another unboxing video. Today I'll be unboxing this Aochuan action camera stabilizer. It's a 3-axis gimbal. It's designed for action cameras such as GoPros, Osmo action cameras and such. This is brand new. I just ordered it from Amazon and it looks like very interesting. I already own a mobile cell phone 3-axis gimbal by DJI OM4. So I just want to compare this, how it works. That's why I ordered this for my action camera. I do have an adapter to use with my OM4 with my action camera, but that never worked good. So instead of that, I wanted to have a dedicated action camera gimbal. And so I also, as you know, own a Osmo Pocket 3. But I really want to try this with my Osmo Action camera, and if it works really good, I'm planning on getting an Osmo Action 5 to work with this. So let's go ahead and get this thing open and see what comes in this box. So let's go ahead and open this with my new $10 Walmart knife. Alright, so far presentation is beautiful, the box and everything, and I'm really curious. Hopefully the product will live up to its packaging. Oh wow, very nice. Comes with the user manual, several different languages, very detailed. And this model is Smart G1, and it comes with a Aochuan bag. Very nice carrying case. Several different compartments. Very nice zippers. Also, I get to have this quick reference guide. Mounting and leveling the action camera, connecting GoPro, recharging the device, how to use A and B button and things like that. And some QR codes. Very nice. Let's go ahead and open this zipper to see what's in this beautiful bag. Oh my god, look at this presentation, you guys. Comes with the Osmo Pocket 3 style tiny little tripod, velcroed to the case. Huh, very interesting. Nice packaging. Completely made out of plastic with a 1/4 inch standard mount underneath. And here's the 2 velcros holding the gimbal. It's a very nice case, you guys. I'm very impressed so far with the carrying case. Here's another one. Very cool. Here's the power button, record button, little joystick style. And here's the mount. And appears to be charging port is right here. There's one here. There's one here. And then here's the 1/4 inch mount, female port at the bottom. Huh. I think the one on top allows you to charge the device through this. So you basically connect. Let's see if there are any cables comes with this. Oh wow, check this out. There's one cable to charge your device. It's a Type-C cable. Perfect. And it's an angled cable, as you see. Short. Let's see how long is this. It's about 4 inches long. And here's the other cable. All cables are kind of like a flat cables. Really cool. Looks like very good quality cables. And this is the charging cable. Type-C on one side, USB-A on the other side. Let's see if anything else comes in these pockets. Nothing. This is it. Basically, a detailed user manual, a quick startup guide, and a short Type-C cable to charge the device on top, and a longer USB-A cable, looks like about 10 inches long for charging. And again, a branded, very nice tripod, a short little tripod, a stubby tripod. And then there are some, there's a cold shoe mount right here for a microphone or a light and such. And yeah, this is the model called Smart G1, and again, the brand is Aochuan. And let's go ahead and see if we can mount my Osmo Action 1 on this. So basically, in order to install your action camera, you need to remove this piece. This is called Action Camera Helper, but I don't understand what they mean. I guess it's some sort of an adapter to set the action camera, stabilize the action camera. But at this time, I'm not going to use that. And here's my DJI Osmo Action 1. I'm going to go ahead and mount this just for demonstration purposes. And I'm mounting it this side out. And to fire it up, you basically press on this. There's an OLED screen, they're saying, tiny little OLED screen there. And basically it's super smooth action. I'm going to go ahead and fire this camera. And let's just go ahead and test it on this little car. Very cool, smooth. All right, once you turn this thing off, basically goes back to its standard movement. And just to show you the size comparison, I want to show you what this looks like next to a DJI OM4. So if you have one of those, you'll understand what this looks like. This is the OM4. Of course, this is a cell phone gimbal. Size-wise, DJI has much larger and wider tripod comparing to this one, so it's a little bit more stable. And let's remove this. I know it's apples and oranges. This is for action camera, but just for the demonstration purposes, this is what they look like. This has a lot smaller footprint, and very well built. I'm very impressed with this, you guys. And here's another button for the quick actions and things that I need to learn. But this is just an unboxing video. It's not a product demo video. I just wanted to show you what this looks like. Once folded, OM4 of course has a lot more smaller footprint than this. This is folded, I think. This is as small as it gets. But all in all, this is a very nice gimbal for action camera. I'm very impressed with the packaging, carrying case. The build quality appears to be, you know, very well at par with DJI quality. And of course, one of them is a huge brand, and other one appears to be up and coming. But price also is very affordable on this one. So if you're in need of one of these, I highly recommend it. From what I can see so far, it's a great way of starting the gimbal game, and you know, I think very high quality and a good item. They have little rubberized feet on this, so to stop the slippage and things like that. But anyway, if you're interested in this, I'm gonna have the link in the description, so you can go ahead and order it from there. And it's not gonna cost you anything extra. It's just a convenient link for you, and you'll be, you know, helping me out a little bit. This is Aochuan Smart G1 3-axis gimbal. I mean, so far what I can see, it's a very well built gimbal. High quality. It comes with a very nice carrying case, a very nice presentation, cables, tripod, everything is in there for you to get going. Who is this gimbal for? I think it's for someone who doesn't want to buy a Pocket 3, Osmo Pocket 3 or similar device, or Pocket 2. They just want to have an action camera like the newest DJI Osmo Action 5 maybe, or the newest GoPro Hero. And but they want to have a gimbal on the side just in case, you know, one of those rare moments that they want to use a gimbal. This could be an excellent device. Personally, myself, I purchased you know, I have a smartphone gimbal, OM4 by DJI, and other day I needed to use my Osmo Action with it. Well, I had to buy an adapter to see if it's going to work with this, and guess what? It didn't work as well as I expected. So something like this, a dedicated device designed for action cameras, could be very helpful. Because of that, I recommend this device. If you have any questions or any comments, go ahead and feel free to drop me a line at the comments underneath of this video. I'll also have a link for this item for you to go ahead and check it out, and if you purchase through there, you'll be helping me out a little bit, and you're not gonna spend anything extra. So again, this is Aochuan Smart G1 3-axis gimbal, and I'll be making many more videos like this, and I look forward to seeing you at my next video. Thanks for watching Teo's Take.